Press them like this. You should stretch this together and try to lift this. I can do like this. A pyramid, like a cone. I don't know how you make. You decide. Okay? Time limit will be 3 minutes. I'm going to give you only 3 minutes. Put all this in a circle. No using the left hand or your fingers. Only the rubber band. You're holding the string. They will be holding the string with the rubber band. They're holding this. When I say start, then only. Timing is over. You got 5? When I say start, you have to. No talking also. Use your other skills for communication. Absolutely no talking, no touching the cups. No touching the cups with your finger. Silent communication is very, very important. Come on. Silent, no talking. No talking, please. Silent communication is very important in this teamwork. Four, 3, 2, 1. 1 minute done. Now come, bring it back. Take it back to the place. Take it back to the place. We are just helping you. Yeah. Yes. Some support there. Come on. Who is winning? Girl side or boy side? Women power? Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. Come on. Take it back to the source. Once it falls down, we have to start from the beginning. Come on. Yes. Second level down. Come on. No signing, no touching. Put it back to the same place. Yeah. Start again. Silently. This is like Mangalayam launch. Going to ISRO. Yes. 1.5 minutes more. 90 seconds. You have 90 seconds to win. 90 seconds to win. $70 seconds. Little fast coordination, please. 70 seconds to win. Come on. Silent communication. 60 seconds. 60 seconds. Yes. Possible. Anything is possible. Come on, start. Start from that. Yeah. That one will start from there. 60 seconds more. Who will win? Yes, you are right. Start. 45 seconds more. 45 seconds more. Wow. Yes. It will be very steady. You can live there in the pyramid, no problem. Yes. 4, 3, 2, 1. 15 seconds. 15 seconds. Let's see how much extra time you take. 5 seconds more. 4, 3, 2. Nice, very nice. Rebuild India. Yes. 20 seconds extra. Your launch has gone slow. Very nice. not stop. Seek and you shall get, Christ said. Knock and it shall be opened. Come on, come on. Try a little faster, little faster. God. Come on. Will you give up or will you continue? Okay, give instructions now. Yes, yes. Slowly, slowly, please.
Actually, we were all we are coordinating with each other, and we did it.
Teamwork always leads to success.
We had a good communication, but perhaps we failed. Or we can't say failed actually. As we know, time permits. And since they were the first one to win it, we might get nervous. I think obviously it's true.
Mistakes makes man perfect. Maybe we can learn something in this mistake.
What is that you learned? Now, you take this.
Let be patient.
Very nice. Be patient and
Be patient and help your teammates to converse with you.
fulfill that work.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. Very good. Clap for them, please.
We are try our best, but we have not reached to the point where we will be.
Why?
So because we lose patience when they have won.
They lost patience.
When we lose patience because they have won, they have already won. Then
Okay.
just thank you.
Okay.
We got the motivated as soon as it's going to work.
Okay.
That's it.
Right. How do you correct that demotivation? You keep some tools ready or you give up?
Should have kept some tools already, absolutely.
Yes.
Well, when they won, we kind of rushed, which also led to more cups falling down.
Okay. Restlessness. Okay.
Restlessness,
Yeah.
yes.
Wonderful. The engine stopped working. One boy hit his head and said, "It is my karma, it is my fate, everything happens to me, I cannot write the exam." The second boy took his bag and started walking. Started walking to the exam center, and in between came some scooter, some auto, some bus where he got inside and went. Who is better here? The one who starts walking or one who said, "It's my fate and I will lose"? One who starts walking, you solve the problem. You don't sit and cry. Okay? That is where perseverance and your concentration and your zeal, everything comes into the value system. If I write 5 zeros on the blackboard, any value? 5 zeros on the blackboard is equal to 0. 100 zeros? 0. You can't buy a cup of coffee, you can't buy a book, you can't buy a ticket. But above all the erase the one, zeros are zeros. All of us are zeros. But the one is called character. One is called your value in the society. If you are that, then you are a hero. Otherwise, you are a zero. Think whether jump into the fire if needed. He said, very powerful like the army. My children should jump into fire if needed to save somebody. That kind of heroism we expect from the youth of India, wherever you are. Okay? All the best for the future. Please.
Good enough is dead. In a world where everything is connected, where everything is equally excellent, when performance is reaching perfection, there's only one space left to reveal: you. Right now, you are a central point in the raging tornado of change fueled by digitization, mobilization, augmentation, disintermediation, automation. Well, the list goes on. Science fiction is becoming science fact. Think about self-driving cars or computers that can learn and think. The way we work will never be the same. The skills we need will be dramatically different. Winning or losing are now happening faster than ever before. So what's your response? How will you discover new opportunities in one of the most transformational times in human history? Are you driving change or are you being driven by it? Disruption Everything that used to be dumb and disconnected is now wired and intelligent. Cars, cities, ports, farms, even our bodies will be wired to each other. These game changers are also combinatorial. They amplify each other, creating a perfect storm of change. Quantum computing fuels big data. The Internet of Things fuels artificial intelligence and deep learning, which fuels robotics. However, anything that cannot be digitized or automated will become extremely valuable. Human-only traits such as creativity, imagination, intuition, emotion, and ethics will be even more important in the future, because machines are very good at simulating, but not at being. Yes, robots and software will do some of our work, but this will allow us to focus on things that cannot be automated. To imagine change squared, you've got to start engaging more with what might be, not just with what is. Immerse yourself in the immediate future, 5 to 7 years out from today. We need to go beyond technology and data to reach human insights and wisdom. Technology represents the how of change, but humans represent the why. The future is about holistic business model. The opportunity is to be liquid, to learn just in time, not just in case, not single improvements, but complete transformations, not individual systems, but new ecosystems. Humanity is where true and lasting value is created. We will engage, rate, and buy things sacred right because of their transformative power. The future doesn't just happen, the future gets happened. The new way to work is to embrace technology, but not to become it. The future is in technology, yet the bigger future lies in transcending it. Let's live and lead from here.
Oh, isn't it wonderful? One of the students beautifully pointed out, what is inside is more important than what is outside. Okay? Vivekananda beautifully says in one place, what is the use of polishing the outside when there is nothing inside? Content is important than the container. Okay? Content. The course content, the happiness index is very poor in India. In spite of meditation, in spite of values, in spite of so many temples, churches, etc., happiness is going down. I want. Students are doing crimes for that. They don't hesitate to cut somebody's throat. They don't hesitate to do cyber crimes. They don't hesitate to tell lies because I want. Do you need it? No, I want it. There's a difference between need and want. I am thirsty. Do I need water or do I want water? Tell me, I am thirsty. Do I need water or do I want water? Need. It is a necessity. But young boys in big cities and all say, I want Coca-Cola. I want big drinks. I am not satisfied with water. Then they don't have money, they start telling lies. They start robbing somebody. No, they are being used by technology. They become a machine. Okay? So, the self is very important, you are very important, your habits are very important. How we do that is what I am going to share with you. Right. How much your body is important. One is very important. He cannot walk. How does he walk forward onto the stage?
Next, please.
कमलेश जी, सॉरी, माफी चाहती हूँ आपके परफॉर्मेंस से पहले मैंने आपको रोस्ट किया। थैंक यू। मैं थोड़ी शब्दों के लिए एक्चुअली
This conversation is Hindi. Hope all of you can follow. Very simple, but we can summarize later.
आप डांस करेंगे।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
आप
मैं यहाँ पे गुजरात में बड़ौदा शहर से मैं परफॉर्म के लिए आया हूँ। मुझे लगता है हम सबके दिमाग में बहुत सारे सवाल हैं, लेकिन रेमो भी कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं टेल्स, लेकिन मुझे लगता है रेमो पहले पूछ ले।
कमलेश जी, आपके दिमाग में कब आया कि आप डांस
का तो मेरे को पहले से शौक था, लेकिन जब मैं पैरालिसिस हो गया, मैं जब 5 साल का था तब मेरे को पैरालिसिस हो गया था, तब मेरे को इतनी जानकारी नहीं थी कि पैरालिसिस क्या होता है। और जब मैं जैसे मेरे को समझना है कि पैरालिसिस कितनी बड़ी ट्रेजेडी है, कि एक आदमी है जो पैरालिसिस हो जाए, हैंडीकैप हो जाते हैं, उसके लाइफ में क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आता है, क्या क्या मुश्किलें आती है, वो तब से मेरे को पता चला।
कमलेश भैया, मुझे लगता है हम एक सेशन अभी हम आपका परफॉर्मेंस देखना चाहते हैं। मैं बहुत ही उत्सुक हूँ कि देखने कि आप क्या कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो कैन वी सी अ परफॉर्मेंस? या, थैंक यू।
एंड रोल साउंड।
जाती है, मगर जब हौसला कमलेश जैसा हो तो जिंदगी बिना पाँव के लिए क्या खूब नाचती है।